Okay, team, thanks for clicking over to this video because it's a little bit different. So we've already created our frequency chart. I'm now going to show you how that we would turn this into a histogram. The first thing that I would do, and again, you're not going to do this today on your practice, but I want you to see how it is done. Just for the future, when we get back to the classroom, you'll probably do these on your own. The first thing that I want to do is I want to give this histogram a title. So right now I'm just using an XY chart. I'm going to call this May temperature, because that's what we're talking about here. Now, when I look at my frequencies, the lowest frequency is 1 and the highest is 5. So on my paper, I'm going to call this line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my frequencies. The first interval I have is a temperature of when I say that, I'm saying that this happens on 3 days, this happens on 2 days, this happens on 2 days. So on my chart, I want to label this days. My first interval is 61 to 65. So I'm going to put, I know that these I'm talking about is temperatures. And my first one is 61 to 65. And I saw in my frequency chart that that happens 3 times. So I'm going to make a bar that goes up to 3. Okay. My next interval is 66 to 70. So I'm going to write 66 to 70. And this one, according to the chart, only goes up to 2. So I'm going to make it up to 2. Notice that these two bars are touching each other. In a histogram, they're always touching each other. My next one is 71 to 75. So I'm going to write 71 to 75. And I'm going to draw my bar for that one. The next one is 76 to 80. Again, there's just 2 days that are 76 to 80. And then next it said 81 to 85. There's only 1 day that's 81 to 85, and that's why I'm making this line across, just where the one day. And then the last one is 86 to 90, which is 5 days. And I had each of these lines count as a day. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I need this bar still touching to come up and be 86 to 90. And if I go across, that's at 5 days. A couple things I want you to notice about these. Each bar is about the same size and each bar touches. I've labeled my X and Y axis as temperature and days. And this is just a way that we can make a histogram. Most of your questions today, you're going to be looking at histograms and answering questions on them. But I also wanted you to know how to actually do it.